In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Spaceship domain to Hostinger. Here's what we're doing. We'll grab the correct name servers or DNS records from Hostinger, update your domain settings in Spaceship, confirm the domain is attached to the right hosting plan in Hostinger, wait for DNS to propagate, and then test the site. Start in your Hostinger account. Open the dashboard for the hosting plan or website you want to use, then find the section that shows either name servers or the DNS records required for your plan. Depending on how you prefer to manage DNS, you'll either copy Hostinger's name servers or note the specific DNS records like A, AAA, CNAME, MX, and TXT. Keep this tab open so you can reference it. Copy the values exactly as shown. A single typo in a hostname, IP, or dot at the end of a record can break routing. Now switch to your Spaceship account and open the domain you want to connect. Go to the domain settings and locate the area labeled DNS or name servers. This is where you'll make the change, so the domain points to Hostinger. If you manage DNS through name servers, replace the current name servers with Hostinger's name servers you copied earlier. This hands DNS control to Hostinger. If you prefer to keep DNS external at Spaceship, add the Hostinger provided DNS records instead. Typically, that means an A record pointing your root domain to Hostinger's IP, and a CNAME, so the www version points to your root. Add any required MX or TXT records. Hostinger specifies for email and verification. Remove or update any old conflicting A or CNAME records so only the correct ones remain. Default TTL values are usually fine. Save your changes in Spaceship and wait for the confirmation that updates were applied. Don't worry if the interface takes a moment. Registry updates can take a little time to reflect. Head back to Hostinger and make sure your domain is added to the correct hosting plan or website. Add it as the primary domain or as an add-on parked domain as appropriate for your setup. Double check that the www version is covered if you want both to work. Give DNS some time to propagate. Name server changes can take longer than simple record edits, but many updates complete within minutes to a few hours. During this period, avoid making repeated changes. If needed, you can monitor progress with a DNS checker and test in a private browser window to bypass cache. Finally, open your domain in a browser and confirm the Hostinger site loads correctly, both with and without www. If it doesn't, recheck the copied values and ensure there are no duplicate or outdated records. Once it loads, you're all set.